Hello guys, welcome to another Forex learning video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we are going to trade selling in Australian dollar versus US dollar. Here we will generate good profit. I am applying the trade according to my risk. You should also apply the trade with proper risk management so that you can avoid big losses. See you guys later. Guys, all our trades are well placed. I have $3,985 in this account, which needs to grow. Right now our profit is running near $100. This profit will increase further because our entry is at the right place.
1 hour later.
Damn! Nice guys, the market has started moving in our direction. This trade is going to be a high probability trade. Now let me tell you the reason for sell trade so that you can get an idea of how I place a trade. Here the market was in uptrend before downtrend. Now the market is moving down very fast. Here we will first create a downtrend channel through which we can find out the exact position of the market. On this trend line the market is going down while creating lower highs, due to which the market is respecting this trend line very well. We will take another trend line and connect it with same angle at lower low points. This trend line is acting as support. The market is currently moving downwards, forming a downtrend pattern within these two trend lines. Here we will also find such patterns which have been repeated in the video earlier also. The market creates the same pattern again and again. This is the nature of the market. We have to identify that pattern. This is the art of a profitable trader. Now we will create a strong level here. At this level the market will see multiple support resistance points. All these points are most important because due to these points the strong level has been created. At these points you can see that the market has repeatedly reversed at the same level. The market is still at a strong level and has also taken resistance on the trend line. High probability chance market will go down from here because all the levels are being respected here. Hopefully our levels will work well in future too. Our analysis work is complete here. Now we will place stop loss and target point so that we can exit the trade at the right place. My stop loss will be above the strong reversal level and outside the trend channel, which is 8 pip up. If the market gives a trendline breakout here, then we will go for buying trade. This is our plan B, and the target point will be near the new lower low, which is 20 pip down. Here I am taking a risk to reward ratio of 2.5 because the potential for the market to go down is very high. Guys, right now our profit is above $3,000 and it will increase further. We have to hold this trade properly because this trade will generate good profit. Guys, almost half of our target has been achieved. The market is moving downwards very fast. We have to give time to the market so that we can capture a big move. Now we will sit quietly and enjoy this trade. You should also enjoy your trade so that you can take very good decisions. Write down all your trades in a notebook so that you can know your weaknesses and strengths. You should remember every trade, only then you will be able to become a good trader. You will meet the guys after the stop loss or target is hit.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the noise, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself in check. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't...
Very dangerous move. Guys, we already got the signal for this move as the market was moving downwards, creating proper lower low lower high points. You will see this in this channel. This was our high probability setup, due to which we got to see a good move. If your analysis as well as risk management is good, then you will definitely win one of the two trades. Let me explain to you the next level where the market will move back downwards. For this I am using the rectangle tool. The market has created a strong support level. At this level the market rested at this level and moved upwards. Right now the market has broken this level. The market is trying to find resistance here, due to which a support become resistance pattern can be created here. We caught a very good move in this trade. Now we closed the trade. Our goal has been achieved. Guys, right now our profit is more than $6,800. We had $3,985 in our account, which has now grown to $11,164. We use Trendline Retracement Strategy in this trade, whose playlist you can find on this channel. Always know the pros and cons of the same strategy only by doing it repeatedly. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.